Does your engine hesitate when you accelerate? Takes an extra second to start? Burns more gas than it used to? Here's what most drivers don't realize. That slow performance drop isn't normal aging. It's a warning.
If your car feels slower than it used to, you're in the right place. Most engines don't suddenly break. They lose power inch by inch over months. You adjust your driving without even noticing. You ignore the rough idle because it smooths out after warm-up. That's your engine telling you something's wrong. I ignored these checks for way too long myself. But here's the truth. 5 simple maintenance checks bring back that power. You don't need mechanic-level skills for this. Most of these fixes take under 10 minutes and cost almost nothing.
Let's start with the simplest one, your air filter. Your engine needs clean air to burn fuel efficiently. When the filter clogs with dirt and debris, airflow drops. That means less oxygen reaching your cylinders. Less oxygen means weaker combustion. Weaker combustion means lost power. You probably think a slightly dirty filter isn't a big deal, but here's what happens. Your engine works harder to pull air through that clog. It burns more fuel, trying to make the same power. In turbocharged engines, that restriction creates lag you'll feel every time you accelerate. Most filters need replacement every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. If you drive in dusty areas or on dirt roads, cut that in half. The filter sits in the airbox. Pop the latches, lift the lid, and check it. If it looks dark or you can't see light through it when you hold it up, it's done. New filters cost $20 to $30. That tiny investment prevents your engine from gasping for air every time you drive.
Now here's something that surprises most people. That sluggish throttle response you've gotten used to, it's probably not a sensor problem. It's carbon buildup on your throttle body. The throttle body controls airflow into your engine. It has a butterfly valve that opens and closes. Over time, carbon from blow-by gases coats that valve. That sticky black gunk disrupts the valve's movement and blocks smooth airflow. You'd think this would trigger a check engine light immediately, but it doesn't. Your car adapts slowly. The ECU compensates. You just feel gradual power loss and rough idling. Most drivers wait until 75,000 miles when the problem becomes obvious, but carbon starts building at 30,000. Cleaning it is simple. Disconnect the intake hose from the throttle body. You'll see the butterfly valve inside. Spray throttle body cleaner directly onto the carbon deposits. Let it soak for a minute. Wipe it clean with a soft cloth. Don't use a wire brush or anything abrasive. The valve needs to be smooth. Once it's clean, let it air dry completely. Reassemble everything. That 5-minute cleaning restores instant throttle response. Here's what actually matters when it comes to sensors. The mass airflow sensor sits between your air filter and throttle body. It measures exactly how much air enters your engine. Your ECU uses that data to calculate the perfect fuel mixture. When dirt or oil coats those delicate sensor wires, it can't measure accurately. Your engine computer starts guessing. That means poor fuel economy, jerky acceleration, and sometimes that check engine light finally appears. You probably thought this required expensive shop equipment. It doesn't. Cleaning the MAF sensor is one of the easiest fixes you can do. Turn off your engine and locate the sensor. It's usually right after the air filter in the intake tube. Unplug the electrical connector. Remove the 2 bolts holding it in place. Pull it out gently. You'll see thin wires or a film element inside. Spray MAF sensor cleaner directly onto those wires. Don't touch them. Don't use throttle body cleaner or brake cleaner. MAF cleaner evaporates without residue. Let it air dry for 10 minutes. Reinstall it. Plug it back in. Start your engine. That's it. This 5-minute job can restore your fuel economy and eliminate hesitation. I've seen engines lose 30% of their power just from skipping these checks. Drop a comment if you felt your car's performance drop. When did you first notice it?
Let's talk about what happens when you ignore these signs. Carbon buildup doesn't just sit there. It gets worse. That dirty throttle body starts affecting your fuel trim. Your engine runs too rich or too lean trying to compensate. Too rich means you're wasting fuel and damaging your catalytic converter. Too lean means you risk engine knock and potential internal damage. A clogged air filter forces your engine to work harder every single drive. That extra strain heats up your turbo if you have one. Overheated turbos fail, expensive. A contaminated MAF sensor feeds bad data to your ECU. Your engine makes decisions based on wrong information. That leads to misfires, fouled spark plugs, and eventually catalytic converter failure. Here's the cost breakdown. Cleaning these 3 components yourself costs about $50 total in supplies. Ignoring them until major failure? New catalytic converter, $1,500 to $3,000. New turbo, $1,200 to $4,000. New spark plugs and coils, $300 to $600. I skipped the air filter once, cost me a turbo sensor. You're probably hoping these problems will fix themselves or just go away. They won't. But catching them now at this early stage saves you thousands. The window is open. These are your early warnings. Don't wait for the check engine light. By then, you're already into expensive territory.
So here's your action plan. Check your air filter every oil change. If it looks dirty, replace it. Clean your throttle body every 30,000 miles, or when you notice sluggish response. Clean your MAF sensor at the same time. It takes 5 extra minutes. Use quality fuel with detergent additives. That prevents carbon buildup from starting. Follow your owner's manual for oil change intervals, not what the quick lube place tells you. These 5 checks keep your engine running strong. They prevent the expensive failures that happen when small problems compound. If you'd rather catch small problems now than pay for big ones later, you're in the right place. The cleaners and tools I mentioned are linked in the description below if you need them. Stay aware. Drive safe.